Minister Baramba Rugahara agambire obwabira ry'ehambuga nkuru za Kakoba South Division kandi abwabwina abana bo mu ghetto na ha street aho batungire cyamushana ebahirwa abantu w'Amanya Foundation.
As government, we shall work hard to put Banana and any other city at the front. We must preserve the rights of children. Also, we should support those young people who have transformed from being street children to now youth children. Street youth. The street youth are the causes of crime in the city.
Minister Baramo nagira ngo government netekwa kureba ngo abasigaza bakozere batunga ndangamuntu ahabwo kuba project za government zona okuzitunga notekwa kuba ine ndangamuntu
batkwata abana abiri nabana basiba umusango go kambo mukikuru ati abana abiri nabana tambo mukikuru abari batukoma meza asatu kuvuga kuza kumara amezi asatu tukarya akamereka kwinganaka ati mwene chome cha kabari na chongera amere na chongera amere.
Around the clock with the National Identification Ministry of Internal Affairs to ensure that these young men are registered so that they can tap into the government program for 3 years.
Orukure kitongore eki nuwamanya Francis nawe tugambireho nawe.
Hata honorable minister UPA riho hata babana tibinisha tibinenyine ati nchimaisa takona uniform nchimaisa taine no wa muhimu hata chiri chibakushaba ngo bakore home babonene hibarabazike babone permanent address.
Omugandi abaturoko rwo mu cyange cya Bishozi omugomborre y'engari basimire mukuru w'ihanga okubatekatekaho okubahereza entandukwa kwetungura nk'abantu bahansi okurabira mu program ya PDM.
Tuyihire sente nyingi nko kumwavura tuyihire sente nyingi hari yakazo tuyihire ezemyoga nk'abakazi tuyihaye sente za leaders kabebembezi tuyihaye sente z'abatsigazi tuyihaye sente
PDM.
In general, tunaza kushoza senti ya shabele ekachireta ekasikozesa mwete renga zamani mnono. Senti ya shabele tunaza kuzileta kandi cha person LC1 cha person Basanko cha person wa PTC tibibire bantu baza kubiyo senti.
Ekigemesarize abebembezo ku rwo mu district ya Kazo okurebuza enkozesa y'esente za PDM kandi bashangire zikozesibwe je.
PDM nisheka keko cyo kisinsa President Museveni akachituguzitwe kabebembezi twena yagira tekintu basa gukora
abantu bariyo nibemuka kuyo mutuba kwingana bona bakaza revemwe konka nibemuka nimpigabo batayine programs aba batakutegatekera myaka yabo takora bakoraniza zamakagabo bareke kwakira gasita za government bakazirika
binji nabagirangwa amagara gabo Garion Gaterera ahabwa PDM gasha kwa Ariwaswa na Richard Nahabwe.